9 minus 5 divided by 8 minus 3 times 2. What are your thoughts,
8
folks?
minus 3 goes first.
8
Yeah.
minus 3, why?
Because of parentheses.
Yeah.
Because of the parentheses, good. So, we got 9 minus 5 divided by, what's 8 minus 3? 5.
Of course.
Times 2. Now what?
Then you do 5 times 2 is 10.
Ah,
No, 5 divided by 5 is 1.
okay, wait. We've got a difference here. We've got one person saying we can do 9 minus 5 divided by 10.
5.
Because that's doing the 5 times 2 first, right? And we have another one saying 9 minus 5. Oh, wait, what's 5 divided by 5?
1.
1. So it's really 9 minus 1 times 2. That's two different ways. What's your thoughts? Yes?
You have to do the multiplication first.
You have to do the multiplication first. So I've got one person standing on this side. 2 people. All right? Here, why don't we go like this? Left or right? So do you agree with the left side or the right side?
Left.
Left.
Okay, I've got left. So that's 3 people there. Milani? What is that? Right. Okay. Vernon? Left. And Stathis, you're the tiebreaker. Oh, left.
Ooh.
Why do you folks think it's left?
Because left to right.
But wait a minute. And I see where you're coming from. I see where you're coming from because what you're saying is PEMDAS, right? That's what you're thinking in your head, I'm thinking. And PEMDAS means multiplication becomes before, the M becomes before the D. Agreed?
What? Oh, no.
But in this one, you guys want to do the divide first.
Because M and D are you do at the same time. Can't
Ah,
possibly put 2 letters together.
in our rules that we had at the top, what did our rules say exactly? Read them to me.
Multiplication and division work from left to right.
Multiplication and division, you can do both multiplication and division, but you have to work from left to right.
Yes.
Ah, because these are 2 different answers. Assuming that this one's correct, let's finish this one off.
Okay.
This would be 9 minus, what's 1 times 2?
2.
Okay, 9 minus 2 is?
7.
7. Okay, that's one answer. Let's try this one.
We can
9
do
minus
7.
5 divided by 10.
Divided by 10?
Okay, that's 9 minus, what's 5 over 10?
That's like,
Because that's the same as divide, right?
yes.
5 over 10
That's
is the same
like
as 5 divided by 10.
0.5.
So
No,
that would be
it's
9
negative
minus,
7.
wait, 5 over 10, that's the same as 1/2.
That's 0.5.
Agreed? Agreed?
Yep.
So 9 minus 1/2
Eight
is
and a half.
8.5 or 8.5. Okay. Now the question is, this you have to be very careful with this problem, and it's kind of weird to people. I think that the safest way for you folks to do it at this point in time is to just do multiplication and division at the same time. They're on the same playing field. Technically, your PEMDAS can now be turned into PEDMAS. You could make division first or multiplication. It could be, those two could be switched, right, Sathis? But it has to go from left to right. Sound good?
Mm-hmm.
And I will show you why you can't do the multiplication in this particular problem before you do the division. Would you like to see that? Let me do it in a new Gene file because I have a few seconds left. Let me show you what's going on.
Oh, you have a time limit.
Here, 9 minus 5 divide by 5 times 2. Here's what you would have had to do if you wanted to do that multiplication first. You know that 5 divide 5? This isn't actually in the numerator. When I have the divide 5, it really means, agreed? Agreed? So, what you're going to have is you're going to have 9 minus 5 times 1/5 times 2. Now when you multiply these two together, what do? You multiply the top with the top and the bottom with the bottom. So you'll have 9 minus 5